Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2018 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Starting up in the bow of the boat, you have nice full wraparound seating for three, full-length loungers port and starboard. Under each of your bow cushions, you're going to have some storage and stainless steel grab handles. As we make our way back to the helm, we have a nice clean dash look with a flush-mounted Simrad 5-inch GPS chart plotter, tilt wheel, your Rockford Fosgate stereo controls with 4 speakers, 2 captain's chairs port and starboard with flip-up thigh rise. We have the Infinity woven carpet liner, which is the upgraded carpet. You're going to have designated cooler storage, your L-shaped seating in the cockpit with an additional seat behind the companion seat. You have a hinged cushion here, which is a drain built in. You can use it as an additional cooler. We've optioned this boat out with the white and tan interior color package, and it's going to come with a toast tweed canvas color. At the transom of the boat, this aft sun pad will lay down flat and also give you that flip-up backrest. One of the great features about this boat being an outboard boat is a tremendous amount of storage you pick up. This entire engine compartment becomes storage, great for beach chairs, life jackets, dock lines. Across the transom of the boat, we've optioned this boat out with the tan sea deck matting. You have a 12-volt outlet, your ski tow pylon, and for horsepower, we've optioned the boat with the 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. That's a quick look at our 2018 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. If you'd like to take another look at this boat, please feel free to stop down to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out with this and any other inventory we have in stock.